Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video, we're going to learn on how to properly upload a YouTube video, in which I'll tell you three to four things on how to upload a YouTube video, how you can make a great thumbnail in it, and how you will make sure that your YouTube video is SEO optimized, which means when someone searches on YouTube, your video tries to get on top of your channel. There are a few tricks I'll be sharing here with you, which I have been using to get more views on YouTube and my videos to pop up in YouTube search engine. So for that, you just have to follow my video on how I extract the tags, the proper tags, and how I optimize my videos and what steps I do before uploading a YouTube video. So you are going to have a detailed video on it that no YouTuber will tell you. So here we go, and let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is, when you are on your YouTube studio, make sure to click on the create option on the right upper corner. Click on it and click on upload the videos. When you click on upload videos, it will ask you drag and drop or select files. So what I would do is select files, and I have it. Okay, where is it? Okay, I have to drag it. I have to bring it from somewhere else. So here I have the video. It's how to send pictures. I'll drag this video and we'll drop it on this upload videos, or you can even select files and select that video if you want to. I just dragged and dropped it, and here it goes. So the first one is your title. Make sure your title is very simple and very attractive. Don't make it complicated, because the simpler it is, the simpler it is easier to search. So for example, this video is regarding how to send pictures on Gmail. So that's the simplicity of the title, which means someone would search it, either send pictures on title or send anything on Gmail, send picture on Gmail. So this is the main terminology that they will use. So make it so simple that it's easier for anyone to understand. In the end, we'll come to description on what you are going to write in description. Before going further, we should now talk about the thumbnail. So what happens in thumbnail is you have to write, make a thumbnail. So where you're going to make a thumbnail, you're going to use this website called canva.com. It's totally free. I have made videos on how to make a thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail on canva.com. It's totally free. I'm not promoting this, because I have been using it for as long as I have my YouTube channel. This is totally free. You can use it, and I have tutorials as well on how to use the canva.com. So here I have made a very simple how to send a picture on Gmail. There's a picture arrow showing that I'm sending something, and this is Gmail. Look how simple it is. Keep things simple and attractive so people can reach you out. So click on thumbnail, and I have made this one. I have already downloaded it, and I'll upload it in here. So here it is, my thumbnail, and now I'll go and click on playlist. You have to click on playlist. You could add this to a proper playlist you have made. So I have multiple playlists. I have as well the Gmail playlist. So I'll go for Gmail tutorials and click on done. And this video is not for kids, so I'll keep it like no, it's not for kids. We'll leave it like this. And age restriction, there is no age restrictions, because this is a very neutral video. It doesn't require any age restriction, so we will leave this as it is. And my contents, no, there's no paid product or any sponsorship on this video. And this one, leave it as it is. Leave this sign as well as it is. Now we come to tags, because tags play a major role in your video being found. So first, the tag that you will need is copy this one, your title, and put this tag as it is. So because this is the title, so you have multiple tags, and also put in the description the video title as well. You have 3 SEO optimized tags on your video. So this is a great way to get started. And again, you need further tags. For further tags, what you have to do is download this extension. You must have Google Chrome. Make sure you have Google Chrome and download this extension called SEO Minion. So SEO, Minion, the Minion cartoons. So I have, this is derived from there. So download the SEO Minion. So there, whenever you search for anything on Google, the SEO Minion will give you the tags on that. But if you want tags from YouTube video, you can download the keyword. This is the keyword everywhere. This is another Google extension, and download this one as well. And the beautiful thing about keyword extension everywhere extension, you can see this is written keyword everywhere extension. When you enable it on your Google Chrome, whenever you search anything on YouTube, this will give you the all details. But the best thing is it will give you tags as well. So these are most used tags. So what I do when I search, for example, I wrote how to send photos in Gmail. I have multiple tags. These are mostly searched. So what I do, I'll copy these, and I'll copy all of these tags and put them on mine, because I want to make sure that these tags appear. These tags, whenever somebody uses these tags or these search words, my video should appear on the top. So I'll copy all of these tags. I make sure to have maximum tags, and I'll add a few extra words like pictures, Gmail. So these would extra add up on this. Android, your Android Gmail attachment, because any wording would help. And again, if I go specific for any video, so this video is rated relatable, how to send photos on Gmail Android. So I'll go with the computer thing. For example, I go with the Android one. I open up the video, and in here you can see on the right side again the new tags will appear. We just have to give it a second, and you will see in a few seconds. Look at this. So these are the tags used by this video. The guy used it, and his video is on the top. He used 2022. We'll copy this and paste it in here, and we'll add this one. We'll add 2022, and we'll close it. And this is our tag now, an extra tag we copied from the video. Send pictures on Gmail. Also, we have that tag as well, and we'll add up the last tag. So these tags are enough. You can add up to 500 tags if you want, but it depends on your video. So there's nothing, you keep everything as it is. Everything is cool. We don't want to add countries or whatever we want. And then we've moved further on, and before moving further on, you can add in the description. In this video we are going to learn about, when you write about, how to send picture on Gmail. So when you're done with the details of the first video, make sure to go on the second page, that is monetization. In here, click on select and on the monetization. This way, if it's an 8+ video, you're gonna click on multiple options, and you're gonna click on every detail that you think is important. Click on all of them and go to add suitability. So you think if this video is there is no harmful and controversial content in it, click on none of the above and click on submit rating. So it will be processed within minutes or seconds. And there is no issue found in my video. So we go to video elements in here. So make sure to click on add and end screen. Add and end screen is a must for all videos. Click on this one when you're done and drag them to the last, because sometimes they hinder the video that is not yet complete. I push them in the end, so it's easy for me, and click on save. When you click on save, it automatically saves. Titles is up to you. If your video really requires titles, you can add on it if you want, but in my video I don't need any titles, so usually it's automatic. So, and add cards. If you're promoting something, I don't add cards, but it's beneficial for the people who usually run polls on the video, or either they want to ask something at a particular point in that video. So that's helpful in here. YouTube initially removed it in between, and again they gave it back in this YouTube Studio. So this is also useful. If you want to use it, you can add the cards as well. The cards are this thing that appear on the right side in the upper corner of the video. During a video, you might have seen either they show a video or a link, to send something, they'll drag you to another website if they want to. So these are used in that sense. And again, we are done with checks. Go to visibility. If you're uploading the video now, click on save or publish. If you want to, or you can, if you're uploading a video now, click on public, and you can publish it as it is. Don't need to send as an instant premiere. This option means you'll be uploading a video, and whoever is watching, they will be watching with you. They will be in direct chat with you. There will be a chat option on the right side of the video. But normally what I do, I schedule it, because I upload a video on particular times. Remember, upload the video on particular times. Don't just upload them anytime, because you have to see what time your audience is awake. So it's 23. I'll upload this. 23 is tomorrow. It's 12 a.m. Today it's 22. So I'll go with the 22. It's night I'm uploading the on the video, so I want this video to be uploaded at 6 p.m. because that's the time where I have the high audience available on my channel. So that's a good time for me. I'll upload it and I'll set as premiere, and this will appear in people's YouTube time, but it won't show up until 6 p.m. tomorrow. So I'll schedule it, and boom, this is how you upload a YouTube video properly. And if you think you learned something, and if there is something missing on this video, you can share the link if you want. If you think something is missing, I have already uploaded a video on how to extract tags and how to send a picture on how to make a thumbnail picture. It's already uploaded on this video. If you find this video really helpful, make sure to watch these videos as well, and support this channel by subscribing, and we'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tig's Schooling.